this week's vlog. Today's Thursday around lunchtime. I don't have too much to do. I have to finish off my 2 wolf commissions, try and get a big chunk of that today, so that's where my focus is going to be, and then I can start working on my lion commission. But yeah, the focus is going to be on the 2 wolf commissions. I got a package of fur in for the lion commission, so I'll open that up in a second. Also been working on my Oni mask. It's turning out pretty good. I still got a long way to go, I think, but just smoothing out all the areas and trying to make them a bit more symmetrical. I'm going to add some more details here and on the brows and stuff, but I haven't done the top half of the head. I've just been focusing on the lower half. The video of the sculpting process will be on YouTube, but I will have progress shots and a bit more on my Patreon. If you're interested in seeing a little bit more and a little bit earlier, you can head over there. It is for my all tiers, I think. I have to double check. But yeah, you can head over there if you want to see some more progress stuff. But I think I'll open up the fur. It came pretty quickly, actually. I thought it was going to take a lot longer than what it does. I ordered it from China, so usually it's a bit of a hit and miss when you're ordering from China, because sometimes it can take a very long time, and sometimes they're really quick. Like this one, it took like only about a week, so I guess it depends on what shipping you actually get. So if it's like China mail or something, that's usually free with no tracking. It takes quite a long time, but if you get registered post, it's pretty good. But yeah, so this was registered like priority mail or something, and it was actually free, so pretty good. So always something to keep in mind when you're ordering stuff from China, because you never know how long it's going to take. God, why is this so hard to get out? Comes in this weird bag. Nothing I haven't seen before. Sometimes they put it in this strange bag. It's kind of a bit unnecessary, but whatever, I'll reuse it. Comes in handy, I guess. So, what have we got? Yeah, so like I said, this is going to be for the lion commission, accompanied by some black fur, which is pretty similar to a lion that I did before. A little bit different from the picture, but that's the usual. In the picture it was a little bit longer, but not to worry, because I have a little bit of longer red fur, so this will be good for the body. And then I'll add some more longer fur with the black and the little bit of red that I have. So I think it's a whole yard. Quite stretchy, which sometimes is a good thing, sometimes it's not, depending what you're doing with it. But it looks pretty easy to work with, so I'll give it a go when the time comes. Cool. So I can get started on the lion when the time comes. Cool. So I'm gonna get to work, and I'll catch up at the end of the day. I'm going to sign off for today, but managed to get quite a lot of work done on my 2 wolf commissions. They're almost finished. So I'll show you the first one. So here's what we have. It's a galaxy inspired wolf. Still not finished. I've still got to do the feet and a couple of other little things, but there he is. There's the body. A big long tail. So there's that one. The next one. Cat. Stand on me, cat. Next one, I haven't trimmed the fur yet. It's still drying, but fluffy face. But I've trimmed the body and it's got a big fluffy tail as well. So once that's dry, I'll trim it up and do some work on it. And this cat, man, you can't. You answer. So that was pretty much my day. The cat's taking over my scene. Ooh. So that was pretty much my day. I'll probably just do some more work on the Hanyu mask. And then that'll be it, because it's almost it's 5 o'clock now in the afternoon. I'll probably just do some work on that Hanyu mask. And yeah, so that's pretty much my day. I also changed some of the pricing on my Patreon, just because I wasn't happy with the pricing that was there, so I made it a little bit cheaper for people to support. So I changed the $35 tier to the $25 tier. So with that you get a gift package every month, which will probably be like a print or sticker sets or something, and you also get 10% coupon discount, and then all the other things that you get in the previous tiers. And I changed the $50 tier to $35, so that's the same as a 20, except you can get some coaching from me, and that will be by email and stuff. So if you're looking at that and thought it might be a bit much, I did change it, and yeah, so you can check that out at Patreon under Creatures of Nat. I'll have it in the link down below. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat. Also creaturesofnat.com, you can check me out on there as well. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.